Hey, what's up? Stephanie, the English coach here from EnglishFulltime.com. I have been wanting to make this video for so many years. First of all, this video is going to be about a grammar mistake, okay? A very simple but important grammar mistake that I have heard so much, and that's why I'm making this video. So first of all, let me ask you a question. Which sentence sounds correct to you? I didn't saw him or I didn't see him. Okay, the correct version is I didn't see him. Now, you may know this already. However, this is one of those mistakes where students know the correct version, but then when it comes to speaking, they still mess up. So this is the simple past tense, the negative form, right? Like I didn't do this. I didn't do that. And what students want to do is, because it's in the past, right? They want to conjugate the main verb in the past as well. Like I didn't saw him. But that's not correct. We actually say, I didn't see him. So you have to use the present tense, or you could say the infinitive form of the verb to construct these sentences accurately and correctly. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to drill a bunch of these sentences because I really want to get the sounds of it in your head. The reason why native speakers don't make this mistake is because we've been hearing the correct conjugation since birth. So it doesn't even occur to us to say it incorrectly. But when you're learning grammar in school, sometimes the way it's taught and everything, they don't help you get the patterns in your mind. They just give you the rule and then they expect you to speak based on the rule. But that doesn't really work. So I'm a big believer in learn the pattern, learn the pattern, learn the pattern, drill the pattern, drill the pattern, drill the pattern, get it in your head. So that's exactly what I'm going to try to do in this video. I want you to hear many sentences in the correct format so you can really get these sounds in your head. So if you have to listen to this video multiple times to make sure you get these sounds drilled into your head and, these patterns drilled into your head, perfect. Also, I'm going to link my notes in the description so you can download them, highlight them, practice them, read them out loud. If you read this page out loud every single day for a month, probably not even, just 1 week, that will really help you so much to stop making this mistake. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get into it. Let's practice. First of all, it's incorrect to say didn't knew, didn't saw, and didn't wrote. It should be didn't know, didn't see, and didn't write. So the simple present tense is I eat breakfast. I don't eat breakfast, right? Very easy. That's the simple present. The simple past is I ate breakfast yesterday, okay? Or I didn't eat breakfast. So I ate, I didn't eat. I ate, I didn't eat. That's the past tense. Now we have didn't eat, didn't need, didn't see, didn't want, didn't go. Try to say that, okay? Say it with me, pause the video, do something, but say it with your own mouth so you can start practicing the pattern and getting used to it, okay? Didn't eat, didn't need, didn't see, didn't want, didn't go. Didn't eat, didn't need, didn't see, didn't want, didn't go. Didn't eat, didn't need, didn't see, didn't want, didn't go. Hopefully that comes out easily and you're not trying to say didn't, ate, didn't, needed, okay? Because as you know now, that's incorrect. Now we have another exercise. We're going to say I eat, I didn't eat. I need, I didn't need. I see, I didn't see. I want, I didn't want. I go, I didn't go. So here we're going from positive present tense to negative past tense, okay? I eat, I didn't eat. I need, I didn't need. I see, I didn't see. I want, I didn't want. I go, I didn't go. Okay, so practice that, repeat that like 5 to 10 times. Okay, great. Now we're gonna do sentences. We have 25 sentences. So, I didn't go to the party. I didn't go to the party. Not I didn't went. I didn't go to the party. She didn't have enough time. She didn't have enough time. Not she didn't had, right? She didn't have. She didn't have enough time. Okay, now I'm going to stop saying the incorrect version because I don't want to confuse you. I just want to drill the correct version. He didn't say anything. He didn't say anything. He didn't say anything. They didn't do their homework. They didn't do their homework. They didn't do their homework. We didn't understand the problem. We didn't understand the problem. We didn't understand the problem. She didn't become a doctor. She didn't become a doctor. She didn't become a doctor. The bus didn't come on time. The bus didn't come on time. The bus didn't come on time. I didn't find my keys in the house. I didn't find my keys in the house. I didn't find my keys in the house. She didn't get the job. She didn't get the job. She didn't get the job. He didn't give me the information. He didn't give me the information. He didn't give me the information. They didn't go on vacation. They didn't go on vacation. They didn't go on vacation. They didn't leave on time. They didn't leave on time. They didn't leave on time. We didn't make anything for dinner. We didn't make anything for dinner. We didn't make anything for dinner. We didn't meet at the cafe. We didn't meet at the cafe. We didn't meet at the cafe. They didn't take the money. They didn't take the money. They didn't take the money. She didn't write the book. She didn't write the book. She didn't write the book. He didn't break her heart. He didn't break her heart. He didn't break her heart. She didn't choose the outfit. She didn't choose the outfit. She didn't choose the outfit. We didn't drive to the beach. We didn't drive to the beach. We didn't drive to the beach. They didn't speak about the issue. They didn't speak about the issue. They didn't speak about the issue. We didn't need his help. We didn't need his help. We didn't need his help. They didn't help us. They didn't help us. They didn't help us. We didn't talk about it. We didn't talk about it. We didn't talk about it. They didn't play at the park. They didn't play at the park. They didn't play at the park. We didn't study last night. We didn't study last night. We didn't study last night. Okay, now we're going to do a question and answer exercise. Here we go. Did you meet him? No, I didn't meet him. Again, did you meet him? No, I didn't meet him. Did you know her? No, I didn't know her. Again, did you know her? No, I didn't know her. Did you think about it? No, I didn't think about it. Did you think about it? No, I didn't think about it. Did you eat it? No, I didn't eat it. Did you eat it? No, I didn't eat it. Did you say anything? No, I didn't say anything. Did you say anything? No, I didn't say anything. Okay, so again, these are all exercises that you can listen to and repeat and practice and print this document so you can read off of it and study it and again, get this right. This is a very simple mistake to avoid, but you are going to have to get that repetition and practice in to build the muscle memory and to build the pattern in your mind, okay? Okay, so we're going to do another question and answer exercise. Listen, you didn't make it? This is kind of like the confused, like, oh, really? Question. You didn't make it? No, I didn't make it. You didn't make it? No, I didn't make it. You didn't see it? No, I didn't see it. You didn't see it? No, I didn't see it. You didn't go there? No, I didn't go there. You didn't go there? No, I didn't go there. You didn't have fun? No, I didn't have fun. You didn't have fun? No, I didn't have fun. You didn't get it? No, I didn't get it. You didn't get it? No, I didn't get it. Now I'm going to give some positive sentence examples. Listen to the first one and then I'm going to explain something about it, okay? We did speak with Emily, but she declined our offer, okay? We did speak with Emily, but she declined our offer. When we add the did in there, it's kind of like confirming something. You're like, yes, we did, okay? It's adding that extra layer of communication. We're just confirming that, yes, we did speak with Emily, but she declined our offer. We did send out the invitations. We did send out the invitations. We did send out the invitations, but so far no one has responded. We did send out the invitations, but so far no one has responded. He did ask for a raise, but the company declined his request. He did ask for a raise, but the company declined his request. We did see each other at the event, but we haven't spoken since. We did see each other at the event, but we haven't spoken since. She did go to the party last night, but she didn't come home late. She did go to the party last night, but she didn't come home late. Okay, so hopefully you're able to see that when it comes to grammar, all it is really is just patterns, 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 patterns. And that's actually why I love languages, because patterns are easy. If you can learn to assimilate the pattern, then speaking becomes so much easier because you're just using patterns. You're not actually thinking. You're not actually conjugating in your head as you speak, okay? So I actually think this is how languages should be taught all the time, from beginner level to advanced. patterns. I mean, that's how children absorb languages. They just become aware of patterns. But alas, here we are, and most schools and classes do not teach language in this way. So you're stuck with knowing rules and being able to like conjugate in your head, but not really fully being aware of the pattern, and then therefore not being able to speak correctly. So anyways, I really hope this is helpful. Please let me know what you think about this video. Please like this video and all my videos if you find them helpful, because that way I know, and leave me a comment, because then I know what's helpful, what you like, what you don't like, and what you want to see more of. Also, if you know of somebody that you think like, oh, this video could be really helpful for them, please go ahead and share it. That would be awesome. What else can I say? Go ahead and sign up on my email list if you're not already there, because I share special things there that I don't always talk about here on YouTube. And if you're looking for an English course to take your English to the next level, something intense, something structured, then I invite you to come check out our courses. I will link them below. And yeah, that's it. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.